Hit the thing yet. Alright, check it out. Don's building the scaffolding right here. Then get up there, we're gonna put these PVC pipes up there. Right? Much more sturdier than the ladder situation. Build a nice platform. Don knows how to do it. You believe that? Nice and sturdy.
Yeah.
All right, people, this part right here is done. Check it out. Boom. See there? Boom. You go down, boom, boom, boom. Down. We still got to put these clamps, hold that up against the pillar. Well, then that, look here. Nice and stable. Boom. Just like that. That's how we doing.
Gamit ka mo ng elbow dito eh. Isa na elbow na niya. Ano ba? Oh, isa na no. O duwa lagi.
Boom. And then the other side can go from here. Same way.
Isa lang gurong gyud mo na diha. Ha?
How we doing that?
Oh, 122. 4 dito. Steve,
Yeah.
Clam. One more. Ha? Asa itong pinutol na so? Ha? Itong nimubo? Manguro? Dito. Dito.
Is that drill?
Ito, may suntay lang dami ha. Oh, wala na suntay. Ha? Wala na suntay. Ikan pa rin na be.
Tingin sa dahil masulog ba kaya para makatinga na sa pa na daan. Ay, nakabalos rin ito ninyo.
Sa panan yun.
You got you?
Sa panan so.
Oh, I got him. B bit him in the lip.
Ay, haon na bigas, haon na bigas no.
That's B love. He gave you a kiss. B gave you a kiss.
Sulod. Oh, ika na isa.
I'm out. Jerry Jones. Oh, you still need, you had that drill.
Asa?
I'm out.
Burn out so.
Anda ba rin dyan sa brownout?
You got it.
Burn out yun.
Got
Dito na
it.
mo daw.
Ha?
Dito na.
Change the wood.
It's brownout?
Oh. Dito.
Steve.
You change the wood.
Burn out yun.
Is it?
Maybe.
Might be.
Yun, saan mo na ito pagkiwasan eh.
Life in New Calapia, brownout people. Blackout, as we call it in the U.S. They call it brownout over here.
Abi na bigugot. Imposible.
Wala na, hugot na kayo dire. Oh.
Tight, nice and tight.
So, magbangan na ni.
Luwag daw.
Put one up top.
Pupunan mo yun.
Oh.
Kailangan mo, pupunan mo dan.
Ugwa mo na ono preso no.
Pupunan.
That's
Sa
enough.
mo isa daw kanang bubo.
Ano na yan, kani. Muni, pilit kayo. Hindi na galikabot.
Ay kaabot we.
Sobrang doon siya ito.
Wait.
Ano na BBC ni magtawas sa BBC niya. Nag-clip ani ba? Pahuman ni.
Awan. Hindi na sukdan.
Burn out. Steve.
Brownout. That's the way it is in New Calapia. Brownout City.
Sige.
Dahil na down do kayo.
Ano to dito?
We're down up top.
Ano to dito?
Do, mga tanan.
Wala akong praise na do. Ano to siya?
Do.
I'm out.
Nadi na naman tangga.
All right, Pete, check it out. See how it's going?
Oh, dapat tigil na to. May marami kita balay mi ba? Tracing.
Makulit ko to.
Sakit? Sige na so. Oh! Wala ka naman! Masama yung kuto nyo, Day?
Okay, see that, people? Nice and stable. Nice and stable.
Huwag na lang, ako tumili sa ikaw.
Nice and
Basta
stable.
tumili lang.
That's how you do it.
Lasali. Ay, ting. Oh! Kagulit, importante. Isa ba yung makuha na
How you do it? That's how you do it. Clink, clink, clink. Clinkety, clink, clink, clink. Clinkety, clink, clink, clink. Clinkety, clink, clink, clink.
Kato ito. Kato, pinutol sa kuan. Kato. O, isa ba ka?
Ang sa kato mo nang subayo kada kaming burot.
Minit dapat ng anak na siya.
Pero ipit diri sa ilalom sa gani. Gani
Dire.
o katong ilalom sa imong ikualan. Ibutakan niya bolt.
Ya punoy.
Ano mo, awas?
Or put one of them things behind it.
Anak no, maganding man.
Ah,
Dapat mag-anak ni siya, mag-anak.
kato na lang inyong kuan. Kana o, kana na.
Kanang yung sagang niya.
O, kana ana ba?
No?
Kana lang utang ya.
Dapat.
Ganda sila. Ay, dapat biya na dapat di para mo straight.
Asa?
Diri sa kilid diri sa karangkuan. Sa T niya, tistingin sa kilid sa T.
Dire.
Da para mo inat ba? Ana? Oh. Da na dapat. May pa da. Kana lang, tigas na lang itong kuan. Bahala ka garanti, huwag.
Rama. Yeah. That should be deeper now. A little bit deeper? Yeah.
Good.
That's good right there, see?
Ang Japon mo.
good drill.
After fixing this one, we tie it that.
That's what I'm talking about.
Eh, napukon na tong clam. Ayun, bul. Ayun, mo bangga sa kuan. Bangga siya.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, we're making this 4-way joint, people. We're making this 4-way joint. Right? See, we only got 2-way. Right? I mean, we only got 3-way ones, right? We was going to run that pipe there. Right? Going down there. But, see that hole is over here instead of over here? See, here it will line up to go all the way down. But it's not. It's lined up to go there. Right? And they don't have a 3-way. They don't have a 4-way. They don't have the 3-way PVC pieces. So what we're doing is we're making a 4-way. That's what we're doing. We're making one. You know? Yeah, he did that. Took one off the up of a 3-way. Right? And we're going to make us a 4-way. We'll put the Voca seal on there. We're going to rivet it up there. We're going to put the Voca seal on there. And we're going to make it work. That's what we're going to do. We're going to make it work. You know? No such thing as no, all that. Now y'all see here. Nice, right? So that goes down there. We got that. Bam. Right? Okay. Nice. I like it. All right, people, see, check this out here. I forgot to do the video of it, so y'all know what I mean. Anyway, you take that piece here, we cut that piece off, right? Out of, grab the one we cut it out of. Not the one with the teeth there.
The teeth?
The one where we cut off the thing. Yeah. What we did was we cut this off of one of them, right? That one's cracked, so that was no good. But then, there you go right here, right? Then we put it on here, we riveted it. See? And now, we're going to Voca seal the top side of it, and we're going to Voca side the inside of it. That's how we're going to do it. His Voca seal's good. It's hard, it's like plastic. This way we made us a 4-way joint. We took a 3-way joint, like that. We cut the hole in it like that. And we made a 4-way joint. What we did is like this here. Give me that right there, Mimi. Basically took a 3-way joint, cut a hole in it, took this off another one, and we basically did it like that right there. That's how we did it. And we got this 4-way. All right, here you go, people. Check it out. Making it happen. See that? Making it happen. There we go. All right, here you go, people. Check it out. All right, it's getting there. We getting there. Piece by piece. See? Piece by piece. It said started with a water tank, digging that water tank about 2 years ago, right? It took like 2 years ago, right? Down, started digging that water tank right there. 2 years ago, started digging that water tank, right? Now we connecting, right? Got the rain gutters on it, right? Because now, when I started digging the water tank, I haven't even built this part of the roof yet because I didn't have money to do the roof. But I did have money to get the water tank dug. Right? You know what I'm saying, Cyrus? At the time we dug the water tank, I knew we was going to do the roof. Right? But I didn't have the money for the roof. I didn't have the money for the rain gutters. But I did have enough money to dig the water tank. Feel me? That's how you do it. Piece by piece. And y'all could do it, except for you don't got to charge each other labor. One weekend, y'all work on your house. Right? Next weekend, right? They work on his house. And y'all can do the same thing. Even if it take you a couple years to do it. Because y'all the ones that doing it. And if you need someone to plan it, right? If you need someone to plan it, I'll do it for you. I'll plan it for you. I won't even charge you. I won't even charge you. Look at that. Bingo. Now it's starting to feel like a house. Because the house is a machine. Believe it or not, house is a machine. Especially up here because you got to gather your own resources. You know? Got to gather your own resources. Do what you could do. Here we go, people. It's getting there. And we're going to run these over here. Boom. Boom. Each one of these things. That's where the pipe's going into. Right? Each one of these pipes is going to run down to one of these right here. As you know, we got the PVC pipe in there. Into that step, was going around. Boom, boom, boom. He's like a trapeze artist.
No. Kung yung lisod mano may ka. Ako dere sa isang.
Oh, before you do that, cut the ends off of it. Yeah, cut the ends off. Fuck with my eyes with that hole sticking out the side. I just noticed that. Cut the ends off there so it can look like it's factory. Uniformity.
Hindi na ba ulit?
That's that OCD I got. I got that obsessive compulsive disorder. It is what it is, people. It is what it is.
By 90.
Yeah, I get it. I'm out. Gonna put that on the other side. Yes, it's gonna put it up. I was gonna build a swimming pool. I don't want to have to worry about these kids, the other kids getting in there, something happening. I don't want to hear it.
Okay. Okay. Nah.
Leave it like that for now. Well, that one's like, yeah, put it around both of these. That one here and that one too. But then we have to do all of them. No, leave it. Not right now. If it leaks, then we'll do it. But I don't think it's gonna leak anyway. It's good. We got one in the front to do now. That's the back, done. Hey, Ben, hit him that can of Vocal Seal. Oh, it's up there? Put that Vocal Seal on that pipe while you got it down. Up top there. You got. Oh, that's where the septic tank is right there, babe. Look how close it is. Remember that wall was right here? Ain't that something? Nice.
Dari ya kita kita yung pasada sa una. Isu begini dari gue.
Is there a lot of leaves up in there? Ah. That's one of them big ones, babe. Look.